Welcome, CNG 132 Online 2. What is this? The Network Security Fundamentals course for the summer. Um, this summer, we dive into the course and we learn about security. We get introduced to almost all the concepts of security. But real quick, let me do an introduction with myself. My name is George Lemos. Been an instructor for Front Range for quite a while. Um, some of my favorite aspects of IT are evaluating security, and you know helping people to define or to evaluate or assess themselves on if they are secure enough. And as we learned, security is a multi-layer approach to this. What else? In my spare time, I tinker with my own home setup. I have 4 kids. They're all boys. My wife and I have been together for 17 years. Um, what else? I've been an IT consultant for a very long time, and it's still what I'm doing now, when I'm also taking classes to finish up my master's. Um, let's see. I'm an avid movie goer. Like to go see movies. The Marvel. What else? Godzilla. My kids are all psyched for Godzilla, so that's going to be the next big one to go to. Um, Online courses I really have a fun teaching because they bring a different aspect to teaching courses besides being face to face. So with that, everyone should have received an email welcoming them to Cengage Unlimited. Um, well, I should say you have an option to do Cengage Unlimited, just because Unlimited includes every single book that Cengage has in a digital content. Um, some of their books I'm looking at, I have a few of them for my own. I have Management of Information Security. I have CISSP, Guide to Security Essentials. I have Ethical Hacking. There are many books that they offer, and if you find yourself or think you might be interested in cybersecurity, I would say do the Cengage Unlimited route so you have access to um, all the digital content that Cengage has. For those of you that are just taking this class to see, maybe if you're interested, perhaps you just take the uh, the inclusive access that's included with your course fee. You already have access to the book, all the MindTap contents. You just don't have that access to the additional books. Well, I guess you do, because they do have like a little Cengage Unlimited trial. So assess yourself, take a look at it. All of our content is then accessed through course materials and then content. This first video will be posted in the news, so as you guys start to log in, I see 4 people have logged in. Um, as you guys start to see this, all my next videos will be posted in the content, and then as soon as you click week 1, it'll be posted here. I do leave my old videos there just in case I have a problem making a new video, so you guys kind of know what we're doing or have an idea. And then once I'm able to update the video, I then delete the old video and put the new video in. Weekly check-in videos, once again, I leave those in just so you guys have an idea of what happened last semester. But as I start to make a new check-in videos, I will delete these 2 here. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out in the syllabus. Click the Getting Started module. Make sure you work your way through introduction, discussion, rubric, syllabus. In the syllabus, read it. Make sure that there might be a pop quiz on it, so make sure you do have a rough idea of what I'm asking. You can tell what I put in there, then you can tell what's mandatory from the school side. So yeah, the schedule's in the syllabus also. Since this is a 10-week program, we'll start off by doing, we'll rotate weeks by doing 2 chapters every other week, just to make sure we get through the entire content. And that's it for this first video. I try to keep my videos short. I know your time is precious, and I want to value that time, so I don't try to talk more than, if you look here, try to keep it under 6 minutes. If I know it's going to be a long um, video, I do let you know so that I can make sure I have your full attention for the full time. I think my longest video is around 14 minutes. And that's it for this first video. Check out the content for the next video. Remember, click week 1, and it'll be up in this area here, replacing this old video.